What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs. Today we're going to be painting the splitter on the Camaro. Super ready to do this. We're actually going to be trying a new product and I think hopefully it'll turn out great. So yeah, got my dogs in here kind of just playing around. My. So yeah, I'm actually on my lunch break from work and we're going to go ahead and try to go tape the car off during my lunch. So the car will be ready to go as soon as I get off work later. So yeah, we're going to be using a Rust-Oleum peel coat. I figured, you know, it's gloss black and you do Plasti Dip. Plasti Dip only comes in black, then you have to put the glossifier on it and stuff like that. But we're going to try the Rust-Oleum peel coat gloss black here. And I mean, if it don't turn out, I'll just peel it off. So let's go tape the car up and get started on this. Super ready to see how this looks here. And once again, my name.
What?
Man, before we get started, I do have to say it is freaking cold in here. It's like 50 degrees outside, which is the paint I'm using. Actually, it needs to be between 50 and 70 for optimum quality. So it's borderline quality outside. But yeah, I got some tape here. Church's chicken thing. That's probably useless. But we're going to use some of this to kind of tape the car up. And I got some of these thick cardstock here, kind of line the outside above the thing here, because I don't want to overspray on this bumper, man. But yeah, I'm going to hurry up and do this real quick and get up here. My lunch is only 30 minutes, so I'm about to fly through this and get this done. So guys, it is taped up. We got it set and ready to go here with 2 minutes to spare before my lunch ends. Pretty crazy tape up job. Actually, I need to tape this down here. But yeah, it's all taped up. I'm going to be spraying down, so all this should be fine. Yeah, but guys, don't worry here. What is that? Wendy's, Hardee's, and Burger King coupons are well out of date, so I didn't waste those. But well, I guess I did if I didn't use them. But anyways, it's good to go. So we're gonna go finish working, and I'll catch y'all when I come back from work. Oh, and also, if this turns out really good, we'll see. I might actually do the grills as well with this. So we have applied 5 thin coats and 3 medium coats so far, and I must say it's looking great. But hey, while that's drying, I'm gonna show y'all something pretty cool here. So the high school I went to, going on 8 years, graduated ago, so class of 13. Yeah, we're getting old out there. If you're watching this in your class of 13, we're getting up there. But might surprise some of y'all. I'm older than y'all think. Pushing 27 here. So anyways, so a guy out at the high school, the welding guy out there, actually made me this. Look at this. This thing is sick. It is my car. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Put it back down to make sure y'all can see that instead of me holding it. That is my car, man. I mean, not the new bumper on it, but looks pretty good. He told me I could paint it up like my car, but I'm afraid if I paint it, I'm going to mess it up. So yeah, just a random little thing. But it looks pretty good. Yeah, featuring all these bands here and all of this sheetrock from where I put these boards up above here. So I gotta say it turned out great, but when I went to lift up the last piece of tape, some of it was connected to the tape and it ripped it off my splitter. It totally just destroyed the peel job I did on it. I was sick to my stomach, so I just retaped it all back off with some trash bags and stuff, and got to redo it all. So now it's going to be super dark outside whenever this is finished. And yeah, well, let me show y'all what we got. So now we got trash bags all on it, and it looks like a lot better paint job. Not paint job, a tape job here. So yeah, so there it is, finished, you two. Looks pretty good. I was expecting more gloss out of it, honestly. So I probably will end up just painting this gloss black But let's roll it out and get some shots out in this, in the light. So it's a little bit glossier. Looks pretty good. All right, YouTube, appreciate y'all watching. Like I said before, I probably will end up painting it with regular paint. I expected it to be more glossy than it actually turned out. But overall, still looks nice though. So please like and subscribe. Like I ask. I appreciate y'all's support. Until next time, YouTube, peace out.